Immigration News by Irfan. How many minimum taxes are required for court cases to win TRC? There is no any type of limitation. Even you paid one tax, you are eligible and you can apply. You can go to the court if you can. You have money. If you can hire good, authentic, professional, genuine Portuguese lawyer, you may win the case very easily. After one tax you can apply, but minimum 3 taxes are required. Better recommendation when you will be able to pay 3 taxes you had paid, and how much taxes you need to pay, and with the minimum average income of Portugal, which is 820 euro per month, and tax almost 280 euro. You know that you need to pay tax of 280 euro on 820. Incoming months also your pay slip must be according to that. So if you had paid 3 taxes with minimum 820 euro per month average income, you are very eligible to go to the court. Nobody can stop you if you have money. Normally people are scared in their decisions. If you have money, you can go to the court and you can hire professional lawyer. And one thing I am telling you, these days courts are very loyal to the migrants. Courts decisions almost 99.9% regarding TRC. In timing of TRC, not 99.9%, 100% were in favor of Portugal's migrants. Reason I tell you, because this is the law that you have to give TRC within 60 working days or within 90 working days. In case of renewal for 60 working days, in case of the first TRC card for the 90 working days. So I think why you people are not using the passage if there is a legally way is open, door is open, and people are doing this and people are very successful. And there was very positive decision of Supreme Court that we are going to allocate some immigration judges, especially for migrants, because migrants cases are very genuine. In case of TRC, one notice was gone to AIMA as well to issue the card within the required time, according to Portugal's law. So therefore AIMA behavior of renewal of TRC would be very important in the coming days after receiving the notice from the Supreme Court, because the court advised AIMA to issue the card within 90 working days. First TRC card within 60 working days. TRC renewal. But I think AIMA will respond to the court, in my opinion, that because we have huge backlog of applications, almost 500,000, which is going to be reduced. 50,000 backlog has been reduced in these days. So backlog will come down now. This is a good positive news, and AIMA will process applications within limited time according to Supreme Court once the backlog is finished. Question is always when backlog will finish. Once the backlog will finish, I don't think you need to go to the court and you need to get the TRC, but through the court you may save the money. But that time, currently you can go to the court. I am not going to stop you. My clip is regarding that. If you are eligible, you have paid 3 taxes, your company is registered, you think your company is very genuine, and your salary is 820 euro, I think you must go. There is no any type of hurdle. I suggest you must go if you have good lawyer and you want to get TRC early dates. There is no any problem, because director of AIMA, because when I will tell you just hold on, AIMA will finish backlog of application and up to July 2025, when I will tell you director of AIMA briefed Parliament House of Portugal that we are going to finish backlog of applications within 1 year, before July 2025. After that, we will process the application according to input. We will give the output according to input. What does this mean? This means that we will follow Portugal's law. I think they may write a letter to the court as well, to the Supreme Court as well, because backlog of applications are much higher, and we can follow only rules and regulations of 90 and 60 working days. Once we will finish the backlog and we had closed Article 88, Article 89, they can write letter, and so the court will be satisfied, because court's point was that a lot of people are going to us and they are claiming that cards are not being issued within 60 days, especially renewal, and first TRC card within 90 working days. Therefore, facilitate Portugal's law. According to Portugal's law, how many days are written, follow those SOP, so that people will not come to us, and we will save the time and we will decide other cases. In the another side by side, Supreme Court also talked that we are going to make immigration courts where immigration judges will be there, and only immigration cases, migrants cases will be entertained. That was also very good output, because that's not the case of the TRC only. There are several cases, related cases like family reunion. People are very victims. I think they are more victims, migrants of the world are now currently Portugal family reunion people. They are living, I saw messages, they wrote me messages, wives are in Asia, husband is in Portugal, or children are elsewhere, and reunion parents are ill, and people are very worried, and they are not able to move to their own countries. I think they must be entertained. According to new government is doing very good steps, but along with these good steps, family reunion appointment must be open. But once again, I will say, if you had a complete 3 taxes you have paid and you are mentally ready to get TRC card early, there is no any hurdle. You can go to the court, and don't scare. A lot of people got success if you have money. And money, I am not able to understand one thing. We lose money in giving agents thousands and thousands of euros. When there is a legal way and we can get over success and we can save over time, we will not pay the money. So there is a little bit double-minded we have. When a lot of people, I became very sad. Some people lose thousands of dollars in getting work permits in UK. When they reached UK, that work permit was fake. Similarly, they will try to enter US by border and by illegal way, and they put their lives in danger. And even they had a lot of money. Some of people, National Geographic Channel was telling one person, some families were very rich and they are just trying to go by border. They think that when they will reach USA, they will become very rich and they will be playing with the money, and some people lost hands, legs, and okay, that's another discussion. If you have money, you must go to the court and you can get the TRC, but your company must be registered. And yes, one point I told at the start of my session, after 1 tax you can apply. You may have a question, sir, how we can apply after 1 tax, because minimum 3 taxes are required. Yes, 3 taxes are required, but I am telling, when you will go to the lawyer will give you the time, then you will go to the court, and doing this 2 months will be gone. So therefore, when judge will start hearing, of course, see, technically your lawyer will set the date with the judge after 3 taxes, and you are very sure that you will be able to complete 3 taxes. So by this way, you can get TRC after 3 taxes. But if you will wait when backlog will finish and then AIMA will follow standards, nobody knows AIMA will be able to finish the backlog or not, because AIMA track record is not good much. But this time I am very hopeful, because pressure of new government and especially European Union. Thank you very much.